Did you know the Pizza Planet truck from Toy Story has been in every Disney movie since 1995? Obviously, it's in Toy Story, but you can also see it here in A Bug's Life next to this RV. Or here in Toy Story 2 when Buzz Lightyear actually drives the thing. And then in Monsters, Inc. when the animators basically use the same scene from A Bug's Life. And then if you pause right here in Nemo, you can see the Pizza Planet truck right outside the aquarium. And then they actually give it a face and everything in Cars where you can see it right here. And then it gets harder to find in Ratatouille, but if you look closely on this bridge, you can kinda make out the truck driving. But then it gets easier in WALL-E where we can see a really beat up version of the truck. And then in Up, you can actually see it 3 different times. Once here while they are flying over the city, and then once more in the city, and then again in this parking lot. And then in Toy Story 3, you can see Lotso and his gang hitch a ride on it. And in Cars 2, you can see it twice, one on the screen and then another time here. But then in Brave, they made a truck out of wood when Meredith goes to the witch's hut. Or what about right next to this house in Monsters University? But they even put it in The Good Dinosaur, and I'll try and let you find out where it is here. And it's kinda a stretch and really hard to see, but these rocks here kinda look like the truck. You can even see it underwater in Finding Dory here, and then again in Cars 3 during the Derby race, and then in the alleyway in Incredibles 2, and even as a tattoo in Toy Story 4.